beach is so clean, nice and amazing. My channel Priyanka Exploring. So I'm back with a new video of Goa. Actually I have come back from home after a month approximately. I'm on a beach right now and it's a very beautiful beach I'm going to take you to. This beach is amazingly beautiful, neat and clean. Look here. I try to avoid going to beaches from their main entrance. So there's one tip I would like to give you right here, that do not try to go from the main entrance. Instead try to look for some narrow street which goes towards the beach side, और वहाँ पर आपको बिल्कुल खाली beaches मिलेंगे like this, and this beach is so beautiful. I will show you in this video, so let's go. Please watch this video till the end because I'm going to spend a lot of time here on the beach and show you around. So let's begin. You can see this is entirely empty and you can select your bed wherever you want to sit. You can just sit and relax. So that's what I'm gonna do here for some time. I will just order something good to eat from this shack behind me. बहुत सारे सनबेड्स हैं, आप देख सकते हो, सब खाली पड़े हैं, कहीं पे भी आप बैठ सकते हो. एंड उधर दूर में वाटर स्पोर्ट्स हो रहे हैं. दैट्स द कांदलिम बीच एरिया एंड पैरासेलिंग वहाँ पर हो रहे हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी बोट्स इनसाइड द सी, यू कैन सी.
So if you want to hang out on some empty beach, you may try out this part of Kandolim beach. This side of the beach is so calm and serene, and there are very less tourists out here. I also got my foot massage done in $250 for approximately 30 minutes. Water sports are operational on all major beaches like Kandolim, Baga, Kalangut, Bagator in North Goa.
Your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight. Show me that you love
Baby, baby, Tiranina, lover. Such a clean water. This beach is so clean, nice and amazing. बिल्कुल भी गर्मी नहीं है यहाँ पर. आपको लग रहा हो कि यहाँ पे बहुत धूप है, गर्मी है, बट गर्मी बिल्कुल नहीं है. And it is looking so beautiful right here. You should definitely come on this beach. This is Kandolim beach. This is extremely left side of Kandolim beach. उस तरफ Sinkarium beach है. Area is entirely empty. You can see here. Talk about the COVID guidelines to enter Goa. They are all same. You have to bring your RT-PCR negative test if you are not fully vaccinated, and you should be fully vaccinated over 15 days, then only you can enter Goa. So when I was coming from Delhi to Goa, they were actually checking the RT-PCR report, and if not RT-PCR report, then at least COVID-19 certificate fully vaccination आपका होना चाहिए. Exit पे, airport exit पे वो लोग check कर रहे हैं. So please make sure you have that before you come to Goa. This is the main season in Goa. January and December are the main season. तो काफ़ी टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं अभी और सब वाटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ वहाँ पर बहुत चालू है, fully operational है. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will keep coming with more videos from Goa. I will keep showing more places in Goa, beautiful places. So please do like and subscribe. It's so sunny that I can't live without my glares here. And I'm chilling and enjoying. After approximately 1 month, I'm coming back on the beach. इससे पहले मैं दिवाली के लिए दिल्ली गई हुई थी. मैंने जैसलमेर के कुछ वीडियोस बनाए हैं. If you have not seen them, then please go and watch my experience of Jaisalmer and Jaipur as well. So I'm done with my beach visit, beach tour after such a long time. And now I'm going home to have lunch. So bye-bye, take care, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I'll keep bringing more such videos for you. Till then, bye-bye, take care.